Hey guys, how you all doing today? So today I'm off to the hospital to have extensive blood tests because they need to rule out history of cancer, thrombosis, liver disease and all that. They need to rule that out before they are able to put me on the HRT patches. So we're off to the hospital to get that done. So I'm off to go get my blood tests. Maybe nervous because I hate needles. So today is the day I will get tested to know if I am able to be on the hormone replacement therapy. So yeah, so we're in the hospital now, and I'll keep you guys up to date because I think it's necessary for us to share our stories about our journeys with the menopause and premenopause or surgically induced menopause. I think we need to educate ourselves and to create awareness of this stage of a woman's life. So yeah, so I'm here now for my blood test, and the blood test will check to see if I have history of cancer, if I've got history of liver disease, if I've got, yeah, is that not what she said? Yeah, if I've got history of cancer in my genes, if I've got cancer in my genes, if I've got liver disease, thrombosis and all that. They need to rule all that out before they can put me on HRT medicine. And yeah, so it's all about try and error, she said. So they could try the first HRT. If it works, good. If it doesn't work, then move on to the next one. But so long as there's a solution so that I'm able to start walking around without feeling exhausted. So yeah, so that's where we're going now. And yeah, today I'm a bit okay today because my husband is with me. Yeah, so sometimes when I'm by myself, I start having anxiety. Going to the hospital, especially to have my blood tested because they struggle to find, what do they call it? My vein. So fingers crossed they're able to get it today. This place looks really nice. And I'll be learning how to swim as well sometime. I saw some school kids out here swimming. I bet they'll be laughing at me that I'm a 40-year-old, almost 40-year-old woman that can't swim. Yeah, but I want to break that stereotype of blacks can't swim thing. Well, I can't swim. Check this hospital out. Oh, check that out. Look, it's so beautiful here. And I shouldn't be filming. It's really beautiful and I'm sweating. Look at this painting. It's in the hospital. So it's actually relaxing me because I'm nervous going in there. So take 8 pints of blood, you said. So why did you tell me it's 8 pints of blood? So how many pints would they take? 16. 16? I don't know. So I'm done. 2 attempts. They were so nice. Really, really nice here.
The place you said they should try didn't work.
Yeah, but that was where that lady tried.
Yeah.
So it depends. Yeah. So when she did the second time, it worked. Sure. So next time I'll just keep quiet. It feels like they took 10 pints of blood. So they took 10 of that little bottles, and I thought 10 of them is 10 pints of blood. I wish I didn't scare the lady by telling her they struggled to get blood from me, because the place I told her to do was there was no blood coming out. So it's strange though that they give you some warm stuff to warm up your body, which is really, really good, because I kept pressing to it because I was so scared of the needle. She was really amazing. So yeah, she did well. She took 10 pints of blood from me. My husband says it's not pint of blood, but to me it looks like medical pints of blood is what she took from me. She took 10.
You know, it's a medical tube.
Yeah, medical tube. Yeah.
Not a bloody
so she took 10 of it, and she said they took extra 2 just in case, so that they don't have to, like, you know, call me back again to come and take more. So yeah, so I've done that now, and fingers crossed everything comes back clear, and then they put me on a HRT medication because I do need it. So I'm back from the hospital. I'll be sharing with you guys the what's, the whys, the hows, and the is. The what's. What is hormone replacement therapy? So, hormone replacement therapy is a treatment used to help menopause symptoms, which replaces the hormones estrogen and progesterone, which falls to low levels as you approach the menopause. So, what is the menopause? So, the menopause is when your period stops due to low levels of hormone, and it usually affects women between the ages of 45 to 55, but it can happen earlier. It can happen natural as well. So in my case, I had a surgically induced menopause. So what are the benefits and what are the risks is something that I need to put out there to my doctor when I see her after the results of my blood test comes back. So I need to find out from my doctor what are the risks and what are the benefits. So that's the what's. So why do I need this? I need the hormone replacement therapy because, like I said, I've had surgically induced menopause and I am going through kind of like I'm having severe symptoms of the menopause, like I'm having hot flashes, night sweats, sleep problem, mood swings, anxiety, depression. I'm having all that and it's very severe, but I think mine is actually severe because I had the surgical induced menopause. So that's why I need the HRT medication. And then the how. So I need to also find out from my doctor, how will the HRT medication help me? How soon can I start feeling better? How long will I have to take it for? And how will I know what type will work best for me? The how, I would know which one works best for me. The doctor says it's a trial and error. So like we try, if it works, if it doesn't, we move to the next one. So that's one house that she's actually answered. And then, is the HRT the only treatment that I can have for my symptoms? I don't know yet. The only thing she actually recommended I do is acupuncture. The doctor actually said acupuncture could help with the pains and to relax you. That there's no scientific proof that it will work, but it's something to try. So if I'm open to trying that, then I can go ahead and try acupuncture as well. So I would know more about if HRT is the only treatment for me when my results comes back. So that's basically it for today. I'll be keeping you guys up to date on my journey. If by just inspiring one person that is going through the menopause to go speak to their doctor about the HRT, or if there's any alternative treatment to helping you deal with your menopause, then I know that my job is done. So this platform is all about empowering people and sharing our stories, sharing those awkward issues as well, because I know the menopause is probably something people don't like talking about, and especially if you're going through the menopause at a very young age. But I want this platform to be a platform to empower people to share their stories about awkward things. It could be about your period pains, it could be about women infertility, it could be about anything. I will be actually sharing stories about all that. There's nothing that is off limits on this platform. Let's empower each other. It's nice to actually go online and check to see if there are people of your age that are going through similar issues that you're going through. I know that by hearing other people's story empowers me, makes me feel okay, you're not on your own. So if by me sharing my story empowers just one person, then I'm happy. I want as much people as possible to know about the menopause, to know about all these issues that affect women. Please share this video so that we can reach as much people as possible. That's it for today's video, and I hope I've answered a few questions about why I am on this platform sharing my health issues with you guys. So if you're finding value to this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and most importantly, share, because I want us to make this video go viral. Let's break that stigma about talking about the menopause, especially when you're younger as well. You know, there's no shame in going through the menopause. So long as you're seeing your period, so long as you have your menstrual period, you would all go through the menopause. You will eventually go through the menopause. So let's break that stigma of being ashamed to talk about the menopause. So please share this video, and don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page as well. It's the Limbegs with a Z, or you can also follow us or subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's free to subscribe. It's the Limbegs 8761, and turn on your post notification button as well, so you get the post notification on whenever we post a new video. And I will see you guys on the next video. Please try and keep smiling and stay positive.